Hi guys, it's Ashley from That Homeschool Gal, and today I want to show you a really easy way to cut a perfect square or rectangle of fabric without a cutting mat. This method is perfect if you don't have a cutting mat or if you want to use pinking shears. I used this on the pencil case I made a couple weeks ago, and it was perfect because I wanted to use pinking shears to cut out my fabric, and this made it just a really easy guide for me to cut around. So all you need for this method is an ordinary sheet of printer paper, or you could use tissue paper. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that it's manufactured with perfect corners. So for the pencil case, I needed a piece that was 11 inches by 5 inches. And this was really easy for me because this is already 11 inches. So all I had to do was I took my ruler, I marked where 5 inches was on both sides. And then I literally just had to fold where these lines are. And I had a perfect rectangle to use as a guide. If you wanted a smaller piece, say I wanted a 5-inch by 6-inch rectangle, I would just fold one side first like I just did, and then I would mark 6 inches the other way. And I would fold it again. And you end up with this perfect little template for cutting out a rectangle.